Good evening. The subject of this video is a trigonometric equation suitable for years 17 and above. Okay, so what we want to do is to solve the equation 5 sine squared x plus 1/2 sine 2x equals 3 for all values of x in the range 0 to 360 degrees. So we're not after the general solution. So this comes out quite easily, provided you start it off right. And if you don't start it off right, you can get into an awful muddle. Right. So first of all, let's leave the 5 sine squared x as it is. The half sine 2x can be written as sine x times cos x. And on the right-hand side, we write 3 times sine squared x plus cos squared x, because as you will know, sine squared x plus cos squared x is identically equal to 1. Then, rearranging that, getting everything over to one side so that the right-hand side is 0, we got 2 sine squared x plus sine x cos x minus 3 cos squared x equals 0, which factorizes quite tidily. As follows: in one bracket we have 2 sine x plus 3 cos x, and in the other bracket we have sine x minus cos x, and that's got to equal 0. So either the first bracket is 0 or the second bracket is 0. In the case that sine x minus cos x equals 0, that leads us to tan of x equals 1 quite easily. And in the second case, we have 2 sine x plus 3 cos x equals 0. And that leaves us to tan x equals minus 1.5. Little correction here, I should have equal to 0 over there. That's my deliberate error in this occasion. Right. So, moving on. In the first case, when tan x is 1, that means angle x is 45 degrees. You can always get that from tables or a calculator. Now, because the tangent function has a period of 180 degrees, another value for x would be 180 plus 45, which is 225. And then moving on to the other value, where we have tan x equals minus 1.5. Again, from a calculator, you can find that x is 123.7 degrees to one decimal place. And again, because it has a period of 180 degrees, another value will be 303.7 degrees. And that brings us nicely to the end. Thank you very much for listening.